Good morning, everyone. It's my 38th day of 75-day challenge, and today I woke up on time. But actually, today what happened? Today was one of the weirdest morning in my entire life. Let me tell you why. Because of bore, because I got bored, and it was so frustrating. Means I had planned already. Today I'm going to practice, about my calculation. But I did only for 20 minutes, and after that there was nothing to do. And I was like feeling, so weird and like so boring feeling. So after that, I started thinking about the thing, and I made a decision. So that thing I just wanted to share here. That thought. So before sharing that thought, I wanted to explain what the difference between fiction and non-fiction book. So the first fiction book is means fiction means imaginable story, imaginable something never happened in real life. We call fiction book, and non-fiction book means something based on scientific research and real example inspired by someone's story. We call non-fiction books. Means something is real and something is imaginable story. This is the only difference between these books. So I've been working on my legend mode. This is the title name of my book, legend mode book, almost for around I could say three and half month. Yes, three around 3 months. I've been working on this book, and I almost completed the manuscript. So what I was thinking actually, what I will say, this going to be non-fiction book or fiction book? Why I'm asking this question to myself? Because this book is based on non-fiction book, means the real examples, how you can train yourself, how you can reach the top level productivity level in your life. So this book can help you as a guidebook kind of. So but I have never lived that life. Means I am writing book, but I have never applied. And what my principal says, if I have never done something, then I will never going to recommend to someone or to anyone. So that's why I was feeling confusion. If I have never tried my own books methods, means I have researched others life perspectives, for example, you know who has reached the good productivity level in their life. I have researched, I have read their stories, and that's how I have added in my book. But I have never done from my side. So what I'm going to do, in last month, I'm going to try all the methods, and I'm going to turn my normal mode into legend mode. And I wanted to push myself a lot, and I wanted to see these methods are really workable for everyone or not. Then after that, I will publish that book on Amazon. So that was the thing. So bye for today.